welcome to NJ Academy. People often say कि काम के बीच में 5 मिनट के लिए मैं फोन यूज करता हूँ, थोड़ा रिफ्रेश फील होगा. But what I personally feel that using mobile phone doesn't lead to the refreshment, but it leads to the laziness. Everything around you will either make you independent or entangle you with it. I'm talking about mobile phone addiction. During this lockdown, I was totally addicted to phone. Yes, my call hours were extending from 30 minutes to 40 minutes to 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Although I was single, but still. सुबह उठते ही TikTok, Facebook, PUBG. There are so many apps. There are so many things which will lead to wasting your time. People will say don't make yourself busy, but make yourself more productive. And what I was not, I was totally opposite. I was making myself busy but not at all doing any productive activities. I was using phone entire day. To make it more worse, I love cooking. मतलब मुझे खाना बनाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. But मेरा इंटरेस्ट थोड़े दिन से कम हो रहा था. And I found it because I somewhere lose enjoying cooking because of phone. Because किसी ना किसी का कॉल या वीडियो कॉल कुछ ना कुछ होता था ना. I was all into that phone. To make it more worse, I was using my phone when it was on charge. I was all trapped in the world of phone. I know phone has a lot in it, but अगर आप एक पल भी फोन के बिना नहीं रह पा रहे हो, so this is what addiction is, and I was going through that. One day, one of my friend, my bestie Chicken, she was like, "बहन तेरा problem क्या है?" I was like, "What happened?" She was like, "Every now and then, like after every minute you come online, I got the notification and you go offline. मतलब इतना हर मिनट में हो क्या रहा है तेरे साथ?" So I was like, "Seriously, मतलब how you know that I was coming again and again online?" And she was like, "I got the notification यार मेरे setting में है वो चीज and I was irritating by you. Soon I will block you." And that time I realized that I was badly into this world. Anyways, this was all my story, but I often had seen many people, especially teenagers, my students, जो favorite notification का wait करते हैं, या until and unless if you will not send good morning message to someone else, you don't really woke up or you don't get out of your bed, या किसी के good morning sweetheart बोलने तक अगर तुम्हारी मॉर्निंग स्वीट नहीं हो रही है, एंड अभी भी ये वीडियो पॉज करके अगर तुम जाके किसी का लास्ट सीन या स्टेटस चेक करो, so this is what you are addicted. And anyways, you have to come out of this addiction. So the very first thing that you have to accept. मैंने बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स को देखा है जो अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत इजीली फुल बनाते कि अरे इस पे सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, आई एम डूइंग गुड, आई एम गेनिंग नॉलेज, और आई एम वॉचिंग वीडियोज रिलेटेड टू स्टडी. किसी जमाने में हम भी यही किया करते थे. सो आई नो वेरी वेल. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू हैव टू लिमिट योरसेल्फ. कितने टाइम, आई नो एवरीथिंग इज into mobile, but you have to accept that you are using it for unproductive thing as well. Okay? And the second thing is, which is eye-opening app, the Movement app or the Quality app. If you are an iPhone person, then Movement app, and if you are an Android person, Quality app. So this app basically show you how much time you spend with your phone and how many times in a day you touch the phone. When I installed the app, I was so shocked, and it was actually an eye-opener because I spend almost 9 to 10 hours in a day with my phone, and I touch my phone during a day almost around 400 to 500 times a day. And I was like, shit man, like seriously, I use this much time on my phone. I will show you this app, wait. So this is how Quality Time app look, and if you have installed this once, the app which you had used in a day with time will notify. Right now I had used this Quality Time for 2 minutes almost to set up everything. So here the Quality Time app with 2 minutes 25 seconds. So you will come to know that how many time you touch the phone, how many hours you spend with your phone, and apart from that, on every time with each app, how many time you spend it. Okay? So with the quality time app, you can also come to know that how much time you spend it on each app. So this also helped me to delete the unessential app which I was keeping with me. So this lead to make me more free because I was all wasting my time with this all apps. The third thing is that I actually start following is keep 1 hour no phone in your 24 hours. This 1 hour I don't touch my phone at all. I literally keep my phone aside, no matter who is calling me, who is texting me, whatever it is, I will keep my phone aside. And this 1 hour I used to do something which I never. So I started painting. After school time, I never ever pick the brush in my hand, but during this I was like 1 hour what I will do. So I started painting. I will show you. So I paint this. This is my painting after 8th standard. I pick brush in my hand and I draw this quote. The quote say, "Babu Mashai zindagi badi honi chahiye lambi nahi," which I personally believe. And I kept this in my classroom and I am trying to make more painting related to the motivation quote. After that, what I decided that use my mobile phone as a reward. You know, mobile phone, personally parents think it's a punishment, but I was stated on mind that if I will complete this job, I will use my phone until and unless I won't touch my phone. So I keep target, I will prepare 2 chapters today and after that only I will touch my phone until and unless I won't touch the phone. So these are the few tips. I think this will help you to come out of the phone addiction. Right now even I am applying the same thing in my personal life. Also I always put more desirable thing whenever I use my phone. I always think, okay, I have desire, that's why I am using this. Okay? So for the teenager, for my all student, keep this in my mind that put more desirable thing in front of you so that you will work toward that and come out of this world and see the real world, which is very different, very beautiful, very good. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. Keep watching. Do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon.